Hello and welcome to Workshops and Events. This is video 1 of our help series, Managing Your Account. Once you set up your Workshops and Events account, you will land here on your dashboard. The first thing to do is set your account settings. And you can do this by clicking the My Account button. This will bring up your account page where you can update any text that you see fit. If you update text, you will need to save. Use the Save button to save back your changes. The first real job is probably to set your dominant color. That's the dominant color of your institution. This helps us brand your event site. In the case of Royal College Prep, the dominant color is gold. We'll try and find some gold here. And set the color, and you'll notice that the banner changes to represent the dominant color at Royal College. The next job is probably to upload some institution photos. There's a large photo that appears throughout the site, and the smaller one appears in the top menu here. So let's upload a logo. Select the file first, Royal College Big. Upload the logo. There it is. We'll select a smaller logo that will fit in the menu. You'll see the optimal size is 220 by 60. The system will resize the picture for you, but it's best if you can get one close to this size. And we'll update. Once we go back to the dashboard, we'll see these changes. On this page, you can also update and manage your billing information, but we'll be visiting that in another help video. You'll notice when we go back to the main page at Royal College, the banner has changed, and when you create an event, this will change to represent your institution. And that's it for this video on your account settings.